Hi there, I'm Mike from Planet Fletcher, and I'm starting my channel off, other than with a few pointless little videos of the dog and a car being started up. Feel free to go check those out if you want. But I'm starting my my channel off properly with a little project. And that little project is probably quite simple for some people, but it represents something I've never really done before, and it's tinkering with electronics and a few other bits. I've done a bit of programming in the past. It incorporates some of that. So, but we will see how it goes. But what it's going to be based around is this Raspberry Pi, as you can see, bog standard Raspberry. I also have an Arduino on a little breadboard, purchased as a part of a kit, which is quite nice. I also have, I'm going to use that purely for kind of prototyping more than anything, which is what it's for. What I also have is a little Arduino Mini, which I purchased from sparkfun.com. There'll be a link to it down below. But yes, so my idea is I'm going to make a little doorbell. Now I know I can make a doorbell to work with just this and a few extra bits that you can buy from any old shop like Maplin's or wherever. And I know I can also do the same with just this as well. I don't have to go and combine the pair of them. However, my reasons for combining the pair of them are twofold really. One is it gives me a chance to learn how to program this and learn how to program this. I appreciate that is child's play, literally child's play. A lot of children do it. But the other advantage is that it's modular. So this will be kind of the main control and kind of play the little bong or whatever noise I'm thinking of playing. Maybe even an R2D2 noise, we'll see. And this will have a little bit of extra functionality on it, namely kind of, I don't know, probably some LEDs around the little bell push, so when you push it, it kind of does something funky. We'll see about that. I'm not quite got my head around exactly what I'm going to do, but as I say, it's going to be a modular system, so I can replace this at any time or change it without having to go and impact this in any great detail, and likewise I can change exactly how this outputs the sound in any way I like without really impacting the hardware bit, and bearing in mind that this will kind of possibly be sat outside the house as well, in a little box as well. As I say, I've not quite figured that bit out yet. But that's what I was thinking. It's modular. I can expand it. I can change it easily without kind of having to do too much of a redesign of the whole thing, which is kind of where I'm going with it. So yeah, that's going to be over the next few months or so, I guess. I'm saying a few months because I have a lot of other things to do. I have a normal job. I have a life outside of the normal job and outside of talking at a camera phone, and I have a house to do up as well. What you're looking at is actually one of the walls of that house. Some of the other walls in my office, for example, is horrific. I'm not going to show you that, but it might limit what I do. But wish me luck.